3 came out with the Airbrush Duo, which comes with 2 different attachments. I'm really excited to give this one a go. I already am a T3 user. I use the curling irons, the flat irons, and I even use the blow dryer here at home. I'm really excited about it. Honestly, I want to give you my honest feedback on what I think about this one. Alright, you guys, final thoughts is I love this thing. Honestly, if you are thinking about getting a gift for yourself this Christmas, I would say give yourself a T3 airbrush. You will love it. It does come with 2 separate attachments. This one's more so if you're trying to flatten your hair super straight, and then if you want some volume in your hair, I would say use the round brush. It does have 5 different settings, and then it also has 3 different types of air settings. That means just how hard it blows out. But what I love about it too, it's super long, and it also has a little strap for you to... Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial on this amazing air dryer that I just got. And if you have any questions about any other things that I might have not answered in this video, please comment below. I'd love to chat with you. And yeah, have a good night.